Ayan guys, so meron ka kung ipapakitang creepy sa inyo. Ito.
Give me your answer.
Ilang guys.
I felt crazy all for the love of you. It won't be a silent marriage. I can't afford the carriage. But you look sweet upon the seat of a bicycle built for two.
Ayan, nakita nyo ba yan guys? Na sobrang creepy. Ayan guys, so ayun ang ano natin. So maki-subscribe naman kayo at maki-comment na naman kayo guys kung anong gusto nyo, yung Philippines ba o yung multo. Tingnan nyo, mag-comment